How to sell high-level websites. Hey there, my name is Kerry, Knoll, and in this particular video I'm going to teach you how to do this through answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to decide whether to give away a website for free or actually charge for it. Question number two, how to sell template websites for high level. And question number three, how to actually sell what I call the local sales funnel website in high level. That's something I've created and you may be interested in selling or giving away for free to your clients. So we're going to hop out of here and over to my sub account for high level, and let's get in here real quick and let's show you some of the options. So while I'm waiting for this to load, okay, so inside my demo account here, basically the bottom line is you have to decide whether you want to actually sell websites to businesses or you want to give them away for free, right? If you offer it as a free foot in the door opportunity, you can still charge them for having high level and having their own high level account for $97 a month or more. And you can explain that's for maintenance and or hosting. And most businesses would agree to do that deal because it saves them a ton of money on getting the website actually developed, right? But you make hopefully a lot of money on the back end, because as long as they're happy with their website and you're supporting it for them, they will then continue to pay that $97 a month, month after month, year after year, which could end up adding up to a whole lot more than what you might have charged them up front to begin with. However, depending on the size of the size of the business, it may be in your best interest to actually sell a website to the business for, say, somewhere between $500 and $1,500 up front, and then the $97 per month for hosting and maintenance. Or even more if you think you can charge more based on, again, the type of business, the kind of website they want, etc. So of course, if you're going to give it away for free, then one of the best ways to do that is to literally offer them a templated site from the templates available within high level. Whether that's going to be through funnels and building them a funnel, where if you click on new funnel, you can choose from templates over here, or if you're going to actually give them just a standard website, which is very similar to the funnel, and then clicking on this blue button also gives you the opportunity to pick from templates again. Okay, now as an alternative measure, right, I have something that I call this local sales funnel website. This is the perfect website for just about every local small business, and I'm going to explain why when I show it to you. So over here is the homepage of essentially for a real estate agent, right? But this could be geared towards any niche. It is easily configurable, and I'm going to show you how we do it. But the bottom line is we have a very simplistic website that has their phone number prevalent, that is tap to call for mobile. We have a fax number that can be here but does not need to be here. We have the actual location address. They have more than one location. We're going to use our primary location address here. We have a hero image, of course. We have some pertinent call to action copy with a call to action button. And this one says schedule your appointment now. We also have the chat widget in the bottom right that's hiding a little bit behind my mug in the corner. And then in this case, we would have a bio of the agent. And then, of course, a call to action. If they have any staff, we would have those photos and names here, call to action. If we wanted to kind of show an outside of their building, so it'd be easier for somebody to visit the location, we can have a photo with the address. Of course, if there was multiple locations, this could show multiple photos, multiple addresses, call to action. And then we have, what does this particular business specialize in? Well, this one, since it's real estate, it's home sellers, home buyers, homes for rent, and then call to action. And then we have testimonials with call to action, and then our footer. All the call to actions to schedule your appointment lead to what we call as a start here page. So we click on this button and it brings them to this page, and you'll see that something's a little bit different. There is no navigation anymore because it says new clients start here, below a walkthrough of what it's like when you call our business or become a client. And on the right here, again, we have a photo of our agent. On the right, it says how to get started with us. Step 1, call our location, and then tap to call. Again, step 2, show up 10 minutes prior to your appointment time. And then we have another button to actually schedule the appointment. And then below that, we have frequently asked questions. And these are all, of course, all geared towards home buying or home selling etc. But this could be modified to fit any niche or industry again. And then of course the office location, and then we have the footer. So again, here with the call to action, click here to schedule an appointment. If you open that up, it actually opens up the appointment scheduler where somebody can schedule the appointment, because that's the action we want them to take when visiting this website. Once they've actually scheduled their appointment, they're sent to a thank you page that just gives them it looks very similar. I'll show you here in a second. Let me go into this to bring it up. And by the way, while we're having that load, there is an exit pop as well on this page for scheduling an appointment. So if they don't click the call to action, this pops up again, encouraging them to schedule that appointment. If they're on the home page and they don't click the call to action button, the pop-up comes up with a lead magnet to gather their information. Okay, so there's a couple ways to capture folks. If they click any of these links, it just shoots them down the page. Our team, our services, our location. A blog would go to an external WordPress site set up for SEO purposes, and then we have new visitors start here, which is essentially the page we were just on, which is the same as the call to action button. Inside of here we have that thank you page, so if they fill out the form to get the information from the lead magnet or from the appointment booking, they would land on this page that looks like this. So if they fill out the exit pop form or they click the button to book an appointment, they will land on the thank you page that looks like this. So I'm going to open that page up. It just says thank you, check your email. We just sent you the top 10 tips to prepare your home for sale cheat sheet in your email inbox. It should arrive in the next 10 to 15 minutes. Got questions? Tap here to call me now. Click here to schedule an appointment. So they can still schedule an appointment from this point forward if this is the exit pop. So it's 3 pages, and this is how it's set up. And like I said, it can be modified for any niche, and I think most small businesses only need to have something this fancy or simple, either way you want to look at it, to actually get more website visitors to convert into leads and or customers. Okay, and then like I said, with this all done with custom values, and so you just go into the custom values area, and then inside the custom values you have all the information and all the values that need to be filled out for the website itself. These are all FAQs, and then we have some other variables that have to be filled out that make sense to make the website completely dynamic so it can be applied to any niche. And there's 8 pages of 75 total custom values to be used and modified for the site. So there you have it. That's how to sell websites in HighLevel. I hope you enjoyed this. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching the video today. And as always, if you have any further questions regarding any of this, please let me know. Just shoot me a message below this video. Leave it in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive the HighLevel Agency Masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel Starter Agency Plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS Plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.